Like I'll be outside and giving his friends, and like you can look up and you can see Sir Muffy just like staring down at us, and I had to hide because I knew he would smack us. And then if he was downstairs, like he would like call us from the pale pale door and like tell us to come in, and then like he would just stand there, like he was first to understand that we knew that he would see out the and like Billy's friends would just go in, and then me and Billy would try and like run through, but like we were like too slow, and he would like get us, and like me and Billy would just sit in the pale and like rant about Sir Muffy and how he was sick. And like as I grew older, I understand now, like understand that like he did everything for like the right reason. It's a really self-understanding God. Amen.
One thing I always remember about Sir Muffy is like his room. Every time I went over to his house and I go to him, like his room was like he's not allowed to speak Tongan because we brought up in New Zealand, so it's going to be hard for us to speak Tongan. And so we always had to speak Tongan. And so if you know me and I say, you know that I'm competitive in the area group. And so Muffy will always come to me and he'll always tell me like, you know, your mom comes to me and always says, I wish you were more like, I wish my kids were more like Isia because Isia can speak Tongan and my kids can't. And so I'll always go home and I always like try my hardest to learn as much Tongan as I can so I can come and I can like show off in front of him that I can speak more Tongan than myself. And I remember like I always sit and whenever he was around I always like speak Tongan. I only speak Tongan in front of him, and when he walks out the room I like to speak all the English I can, even though it's not bad, but yeah, I just always speak Tongan. And it got to a point where I think I got so pissed at my mom because I was like, I'm your daughter, why are you going to Sir Muffy and saying that you wish I was more like Isia? And so I went to my mom and I asked her, why did you do that? She's like, not once have I opened my mouth to Sir Muffy and said I wish I was more like, my kids were more like Isia. And so like I'm thinking about now, like if me and Isia were so competitive, and if Sir Muffy wasn't like that, he didn't like lie to me and say that my mom wished I was more like Isia, then I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be in touch with my Tongan culture, and I just want to give him thanks. I wish he was still here so I can say things with you. I miss him so much, and I know everyone will. Like, if you know Sir Muffy, and if you're a Christian, you will know that you will know that Sir Muffy was the one to teach you the Lord's Prayer.
Fiona. Atea